As Traeger grills grow in popularity among backyard chefs, there's rising demand for smart accessories that elevate your grilling experience. Even typists and gamers take notice, because a great Traeger setup means less fuss, more focus, and more flavor with every session. This guide evaluates switch type, how accessories integrate or attach, build quality, layout and functionality.
Product number 1. Traeger Grill's BAC 637 Stay Dry Pellet Storage Bin with Locking Lid. The Traeger Grill's BAC 637 Stay Dry Pellet Storage Bin with Locking Lid is one of the most practical accessories for serious pellet grillers. Its core purpose is simple yet critical. Keep your wood pellets dry, fresh, and ready for use, avoiding clumping from moisture. The switch type here refers to the lid's secure locking mechanism, easy to open when filling your grill and robust enough to protect pellets during humid or rainy conditions. Build quality is top tier. Traeger designed this bin with heavy-duty, moisture-resistant materials that stand up to outdoor elements. The rigid structure won't easily warp or degrade, and the locking lid provides a solid seal. Its size is generous, accommodating a full bag of pellets or more, so you spend less time refilling and more time grilling. In terms of layout, the bin's rectangular footprint allows it to fit neatly beside your grill or in a garage or storage area. The straight walls and smooth interior make scooping pellets into a grill hopper or scoop simple and mess-free. The lid stays open hands-free, a thoughtful touch when you're juggling tools or ingredients. Value-wise, this isn't the cheapest accessory you can add, but the protection it offers for premium wood pellets pays dividends in performance and longevity. For pellet grillers who want consistent smoke quality and fewer clogs in their auger system, this storage bin is a worthwhile investment. Product number 2. 2-pack of magnetic storage bins for Traeger grills. The 2-pack of magnetic storage bins for Traeger grills is an ingenious solution for organizing small grilling tools and accessories right where you need them. If you've ever misplaced cleaning brushes, meat probes, or barbecue rubs mid-cook, these magnetic bins keep essentials close at hand. The switch type here is magnetic attachment, quick to install and reposition, requiring no drilling or permanent fixtures. Build quality is solid. These bins are typically molded from durable plastic with strong magnets that hold securely to steel grill bodies, compatible with Traeger models and similar grills. The edges are smooth and won't scratch your grill surface. Because you get 2, you can strategically place one for tools and another for small ingredients, tongs, or heat-resistant gloves. The layout is highly practical. Each bin offers a deep, open design that accommodates bulky items as well as tiny pieces like probe clips or spice containers. The lip around the top prevents items from bouncing out when the grill lid opens and closes. When it comes to value, this 2-pack delivers excellent utility at a budget-friendly price. It's especially attractive for grillers who love tidy prep areas and quick access to accessories. If you want a simple, no-fuss way to minimize clutter and improve workflow during barbecue sessions, these magnetic bins are a smart, cost-effective addition to your Traeger. Product number 3. Upgraded folding front shelf accessories for Traeger Pro 22. The upgraded folding front shelf accessories for Traeger Pro 22 brings serious convenience to your grilling station. Designed specifically for the Traeger Pro 22, this front shelf expands your workspace and enhances meal prep efficiency. The switch type is the folding mechanism, easy to deploy when you're ready to cook and compactly fold away for storage or transport. Build quality here leans heavy-duty. Rugged steel construction with a weather-resistant finish stands up to the elements and supports the weight of tools, trays, or even a carving board. The shelf's robust hinges and locking supports give it stability that belies its foldable design. Whether you're laying out rubs, sauces, or plating a finished brisket, the outed surface feels like a natural extension of your grill. In terms of layout, the front shelf integrates seamlessly with the Pro 22's form factor.
When folded down, it doesn't impede access to the grill or pellet hopper, and the attachment points align cleanly with existing Traeger hardware. The flat, uncluttered surface makes cleanup easy. Just wipe it down after each session. From a value perspective, this accessory is a win for grillers who want to maximize efficiency without upgrading to a larger grill. It enhances usability without compromise, turning a compact pellet grill into a fully functional outdoor kitchen station. For frequent Traeger users who juggle prep and plating outdoors, this folding shelf is a worthy investment. Product number 4. BBQ blanket for resting meat compatible with Traeger pellet smoker. The BBQ blanket for resting meat is a specialized accessory designed to elevate your meat resting game. After hours of smoking on a Traeger pellet grill, properly resting meat ensures juices redistribute, resulting in tender, flavorful cuts. The switch type here relates to thermal performance. The blanket's insulation switches on to retain heat without overcooking. Build quality is focused on insulation and food safety. Typically made from high-grade, heat-resistant materials, these blankets help maintain internal meat temperatures while preventing condensation from cooling the surface. The fabric is durable and washable, with reinforced seams that withstand repeated use during busy barbecue seasons. The layout is straightforward. Big enough to drape over briskets, pork shoulders, or whole turkeys, the blanket conforms to irregular shapes and stays put as juices settle. Unlike foil, which can create steam pockets and soggy bark, a barbecue blanket supports a gentle, even rest. Product number 5. Silicone Griddle Tools Mat for Blackstone, Weber, Traeger, Pit Boss. The Silicone Griddle Tools Mat brings grill organization and safety to a new level. It's designed to hold hot griddle tools, spatulas, tongs, and spoons adjacent to your grill without damaging surfaces. The switch type centers on its heat-resistant performance, an automatic safeguard for tools between uses. Build quality is robust. Premium silicone resists high temperatures, is easy to clean, and holds up against repeated outdoor use. Many mats also feature textured compartments and raised edges to keep tools in place, preventing slips or burns. Though marketed broadly, compatible with Blackstone, Weber, Traeger, Pit Boss, it's especially useful for pellet grillers who use flat-top accessories or multi-tool setups. In layout, the mat is thoughtfully segmented, allowing dedicated spots for spatulas, scrapers, brushes, and thermometer probes. This reduces clutter and keeps hot tools off countertops or tables. Its flexible material lies flat on any surface and rolls up for storage when not in use. In terms of value, the Silicone Tools Mat is affordable yet highly functional. It's a small accessory that makes a noticeable difference in workflow, especially during long smoke sessions where tool swaps are frequent. If you value organization, safety, and surface protection around your Traeger, this mat earns its place in your accessory lineup.